We hope that the lesson gave you a taste of what the Parent School has to offer. If you were inspired by this lesson, we hope you enroll in many more courses. But however you decide to move forward, whether you enroll in more courses or not, we hope that you take away some nuggets of information from this lesson that will help you in your journey forward with your child. Always remember, you are uniquely capable of guiding your child's path forward. And you're not in this journey alone. There are many other families who are making the same journey with their late talking child. And finally, the best thing for your late talker is you.